The Westinghouse 27-inch curved is about to take your gaming and entertainment experience to the next level. Imagine stepping into an immersive world where every frame feels like a shot, thanks to its lightning-fast 240Hz refresh rate. No more lag, no more ghosting, just pure, adrenaline-pumping action that makes you feel like you're right in the middle of it all. And with AMD FreeSync technology, you can bet your favorite games will look smoother and more vibrant than ever before. But it's not just about looks. This monitor is also designed to reduce eye strain and fatigue, thanks to its innovative iris technology. You'll be able to game for hours on end without feeling like you're staring at a screen that's sucking the life out of your eyes. Plus, with its flicker-free display and anti-glare coating, you can enjoy stunning visuals in any environment. Now, let's talk about what really sets this monitor apart: its incredible color accuracy. With a 4000:1 contrast ratio and support for 16.7 million colors, you'll be able to see every detail in your games and movies with crystal clarity. And with an 118% sRGB wide color gamut, you can expect even more vivid, lifelike visuals that will transport you to new worlds. But what really gets me excited about this monitor is its versatility. Whether you're playing fast-paced FPS games or immersing yourself in a cinematic experience, this monitor has got you covered. With dedicated FPS and RTS modes, you can optimize your gameplay for maximum performance and immersion. And with built-in speakers and an audio out jack, you can connect to your favorite sound system or enjoy music while gaming. One of the most impressive features of this monitor is its immersive 1500R curved screen. Imagine sitting in a theater, surrounded by a vast, wraparound world that pulls you in and never lets go. That's what this monitor delivers, thanks to its gentle curve that reduces glare and edge distortion for an unparalleled viewing experience. In short, the Westinghouse 27-inch curved is not just a monitor. It's an immersive entertainment system that will revolutionize your gaming and movie nights. With its lightning-fast refresh rate, incredible color accuracy, and innovative features like iris technology and audio capabilities, you'll be treated to an unparalleled viewing experience that will leave you wanting more. Get the best price on this game-changing monitor now by clicking the link below.